Phoenix problems. What no one tells you about rising again. Everyone loves a good Phoenix story. The girl burns, the ashes glow, and bam, she's suddenly glowing on a TED Talk stage, dropping quotes about resilience while looking like she just stepped out of a Vogue editorial. But here's what no one tells you. Rising again isn't always glamorous. Sometimes it's sweaty, snotty, awkward, and expensive as hell. Yes, I survived. Yes, I reclaimed my art, my name, my narrative. But now what? Now I'm tired. Now I'm Googling how to move 2 vending machines by myself because the budget is gone and the hype has cooled. Now I'm showing up with anxiety, teaching AI classes while still healing the part of me that was told I'd never be good enough to stand in front of a room full of people. Being inspirational can be exhausting. People love your comeback, but they don't always stick around for your in-between. And sometimes you become so addicted to being the phoenix, you forget to rest between fires. You skip the grieving part. You perform your glow up. You post through the pain because God forbid people see you wobble after they called you strong. But I'm here to say, burnout doesn't mean you're broken. Confusion doesn't mean you're lost. And grief doesn't cancel your glow up. It grounds it. It's okay if the rebirth is slow, if the feathers are still wet, if the crown feels too heavy some days. You don't owe anyone your perfectly packaged comeback. You don't need to monetize your meltdown. You are allowed to heal privately, to rise gently, to pause even in the middle of your own damn miracle. Because being a phoenix isn't about impressing people with your fire. It's about learning how to fly again, softly, slowly, and on your own terms.